First step that you will do is turn off the main water line feeding into the Caraco Wholehouse water filtration system. Take the two red pins out by lifting them straight up. The next step that you're going to want to do is take the head and turn it counterclockwise until it lifts completely off. Once the head is removed, carefully lower the housing. Take a garden hose, put it inside with the water running, which helps loosen some of the KDF and carbon that's packed in, which enables the tube now to loosen up to slide out easily. To help get any of the packed KDF and carbon media out of the unit, simply take the garden hose, place it back inside with the water running, and this way you can easily rinse out the remaining residue of KDF and coconut shell carbon. Now, as you're filling up the unit, lift the back side of it up to help flush out any of the KDF and the carbon media that is there until the tank starts running clear, at which time all the media has been removed. Once the Caraco Wholehouse unit is flushed out, simply lower down the retainer tube, place either tape or some type of protective device so that the carbon that you're going to pour in doesn't pour down through the center tube. In this case, we're using rolled up paper towel. Now, inside the replacement media kit, there will be the following: a funnel. You take the funnel, you put it up on top, centering the tube in the middle. Now take out a bag of the garnet, which is acting as another filtering device to protect any of the very fine carbon or KDF. Pour it down through the funnel, as simple as that. Now take a bag of the KDF carbon media, which also includes a special blend of Caraco media and the coconut shell media, and pour it down through the funnel. In the 750, there's several bags of this media that come inside the kit, so we're pouring it in as such. There will be 5 bags of this media for the 750 model and 3 bags for the 500 model. And now you're going to take your final bag, which is a special blend of KDF, and we're going to pour it through the funnel as such. You can dispose of all of these bags in the blue funnel, because the next time you reorder the media, you'll be receiving them. In order to ensure that the head screws properly, make sure that none of the carbon fines, KDF fines, are in the grooves where the head will screw down. Simply take a towel or your finger to ensure that there is none. Remove the device that you used to block the little tube, wipe it out as he's doing, and now you're ready to install the head. The first thing that you're going to do with the head is you are going to place Vaseline on the rubber gasket to ensure that you have more longevity of the rubber gasket. Now you're going to place the head on and you're going to turn it clockwise until tightened, making sure that you line up As you can see, there's no tools that are necessary to tighten or even to remove the head assembly. Nice little firm tight. Now we're going to connect the couplings. Again, no tools required. They simply snap in. Remove the red collar. Push the gray part into the black. Make sure it snaps. Place the pin. By inserting the pins, you ensure that the coupling doesn't disconnect. Now you turn your red valve to a closed position. Now we're going to do a backwash, and we are going to attach the coupling so the hose can easily fit on should you be living in an apartment building and you want to flush it out through the toilet or through the bathtub or out through the window if you have the ability to do that. For additional information on backwash, refer to the installation video and you'll get all the information you need on backwashing.